suppose you are reading a book. Well, there are a lot of little stories in that book, and you want to read a particular story, but you do not know the exact page number. So tell me, what will you do? Will you go through each page just to read that one story, or will you take the help of the index? Of course, you are going to go to the index first, right? Why choose the difficult way if we can easily use the simpler one? Well, hello and a very warm welcome. Sometimes there is a lot of content present in our data and we want to find something particular from it. So do you want to sit and go through each and everything in your content, or you want a simple solution for that? Wouldn't it be more hectic if we go through all the data just to find something small? Yes, that would definitely be the case. So today we are going to learn the similar concept, which is regular expression in JavaScript. But before that, let us quickly see the agenda of this lecture. We will start with the meaning of regular expression and modifier, and then the syntax. After that, we will learn what search and replace methods are with the help of examples. Then the example of regular expressions as well as global modifier. At the end, there will be an assignment for you. So without wasting any more time, let us get started. A regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. The search pattern can be used for text search and text to replace operations. A regular expression can be a single character or a more complicated pattern. Regular expressions can be used to perform all types of text search and text replace operations. Let us see the syntax of the regular expression. Pattern modifiers. Now let us see one example. Variable pattern is equal to data is good I. Here, data is good I is a regular expression. We want to search data is good. I is a modifier which allows us to search the particular pattern regardless of its case. That means it is case insensitive, using string methods. In JavaScript, regular expressions are often used with the two string methods, search and replace. The search method uses an expression to search for a match and returns the position of the match. The replace method returns a modified string where the pattern is replaced. Let us see the example with the search method. In this example, we have taken a string and then searched the pattern data is good using search method. Now let us see the output. Well, it is 4 because data is good is in the 4th position. But what if we make the D from data is good in small letters? Will it find the right word or not? Let us see the output. It is -1. When a search method cannot find a particular pattern, it returns -1. So the solution for this problem is a regular expression. Now let us see the modified example for that. Here we are using the regular expression, and I is for case insensitivity. Basically, it searches the pattern even if there is a difference between the small letters and the capital letters. Let us see the output. Great, it is 4. Using string replace method. Now let us see how a replace method works on a string. In this example, we are replacing the word data is good to user using the replace method. We stored it in the variable b and displayed it on the screen. Now let us check the output. Awesome, it is hi user. But what if we make the D from data is good in small letters here also? Then will it find the right word and replace it? Well, the answer is no. The output is hi, data is good. Let us use it with regular expression. And you can see in this example, we have used the regular expression and a modifier. And as you know, I allows the regular expression to be case insensitive. We changed data is good to user. Let us see the output. We got the required output, which is hi user. Now let us talk about another modifier, which is a global modifier G. It finds all the matches rather than stopping after the first match. Let us see the example with the replace method. In this code snippet, we have used a global modifier which will allow us to change the word institute to data is good. And it will not stop replacing the word at the first match. It will change the word wherever it will find the match. Let us see the output. Alright. Hi, this is our data is good and welcome to our data is good, which is absolutely correct. Now there are a number of patterns and modifiers available and this is how we can use them. So that is it for today, guys, and here is an assignment for you. My str is equal to I like PUBG. So replace the word PUBG to Fortnite using regular expressions. We are getting better at JavaScript day by day. As we are approaching forward in the course, more interesting and important concepts are coming our way. This session would be the last session in the functions concept. So why waste any more time? Let us get started. But before moving forward, let us see the agenda of this lesson. In today's session, we will be learning about the scrolling function in JavaScript and an example of scrolling function with complete detailed explanation. And at the end, there would be a small assignment for you guys. Now, I am pretty sure you have heard the word scrolling or you have the basic knowledge of what scrolling is. Let us see it one more time. Scrolling is the action of sliding text, images, or videos across a monitor or display. Scrolling does not change the layout of the text or the pictures, but incrementally moves the user's view across the screen. In this session, we will be using the window.scrollTo method to scroll across the page. Let us see what a ScrollTo method is. The ScrollTo method of the window interface can be used to scroll to a specified location on the page. It accepts two parameters, the x and y coordinates of the page to scroll to. Passing both the parameters as 0 will scroll the page to the topmost and leftmost point. Syntax of this method is window.scrollTo x coordinate, y coordinate. Now both the parameters, they are number type. X coordinate is required to scroll to horizontally or along the x-axis in pixels, whereas y coordinate is required to scroll to vertically or along the y-axis in pixels. Now let us start with the example. In this example, we have written scroll throughout the web page, so it would be easier for us to know any scrolling movement. We have given the width of 5000 pixels to the page, and as usual, the function is assigned to the on-click event of the button, click me to scroll. So let us see what the function scrollWin has. We have declared it at the end of the program. In the scrollWin function, we have used the method ScrollTo, and the parameters are 500 and 500 for x-coordinate and y-coordinate respectively. Now let us see the output on the browser. Let us click on the button. Great, so we have scrolled horizontally 500 pixels and vertically 500 pixels. So this is how we can scroll through a web page vertically and horizontally. And on this note, we have also reached the end of the lesson. I hope you had great fun learning this new concept. And here is an assignment for you. Create a button to scroll to 500 pixels horizontally. Solve the assignment and stay connected. Bye.